Welcome! We're thrilled to introduce you to the role of a Cudy Coordinator, the driving force behind our mission to revolutionize online education. Being a tutor coordinator at Cudy means you will earn a side income, a reward based on your hard work, and contribute to education. Let's start by learning about the platform. Cudy.co is a platform that revolutionizes the way students, parents, tutors, and coordinators connect and engage in the learning process. The platform offers interactive features that facilitate easy navigation, profile browsing, scheduling, and communication between users. As a Cudy Coordinator, your mission is simple yet impactful. Create promotional content, find students and parents, guide them to register at Cudy.co, and earn a 5% commission from every class and transactions they made. It's a win-win situation for you and those you bring on board. To start and claim the 5% commission, you will first need to be registered as a coordinator yourself. Here's how you can apply. First, go to Cudy.co and click Sign Up. Fill in your details and pick a role. Tutors, coaches, counselors, students, parents, everyone can be a coordinator. Don't forget to check this box, then click Create Account. Once you're done, check your email to verify your account. Now sign into your account, click Find, then click Cudy Coordinator. Fill in your identification number, your personal details, and upload necessary documents. Check this box, then hit Apply. And voila! You're all set! The Cudy team will approve your application. The team usually approves coordinator applications within a few hours to 3 days at most. Contact us via Facebook or X to collaborate closely with our team once you're on board. When you're a coordinator, you'll be able to take advantage of our platform's features. Monitor tutors' rates and availability through the dashboard to make informed decisions and optimize referral matches for maximum earnings. By having real-time access to tutor information, coordinators can match students with suitable tutors promptly. Coordinators can leverage this feature to recommend highly rated tutors to students and parents. Don't forget to connect with our team on Facebook or X. We will work alongside you to help with your promotional strategies, assist with content creation, and ensure your success as a Cudy Coordinator. I wish you good luck on your journey as a coordinator. May your efforts lead to both personal success and positive impact in the educational realm. See you soon!